Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to share with you a very important, unique way to promote your blog, website or YouTube channel, whatever your social media account. You can just get followers anywhere, wherever you want. Just follow this hack. Like you can take this as a hack or trick because it's my own trick and I am applying it. Sometimes I get some lazy, but whenever I try this I get result. So you can get awesome result if you follow daily this trick, and day by day your blog or whatever you want to you want to get traffic on will get popular day by day. So what you have to do, you have to open your YouTube as I have opened. When you open your YouTube, you will find the most viral videos. You can see, just scroll and watch the. Here are some video also, whatever you watch most, but mostly you can easily get videos that are most viral. Like you are watching here, this video is posted 6 days ago and there are 2.1 million views. So means they are just 6 days. That means this video just get posted 6 days ago, only 6 days. In only 6 days this video got 2.1 million views. So you can get how much viral is this. So what you have to do, open this video, go to the comment section, and you are watching here 6,662 comments are here, and you are watching there are so many likes on each comments, like 900 893. So there are so many people who are watching these comments. So you can just comment here about your blog. Like if your blog about online money making ideas, so then you can type here um, uh, best online jobs. Okay, find best online jobs. You should just write anything which could attract the readers who are looking for this thing already. So find best online jobs at www. I'm typing here my website name. You can type here your website name, whatever content of your site, just write about that and give your URL. So find best online jobs at www.youtube.tech. Here if you want to add something more you can do, but I'm typing here only this and I'm posting it. So guys, you know this video is in trend. So many viewers are watching, so many viewers are reading comments. So if you will post here about your blog, then definitely you will get almost attention of uh, minimum 1000 visitors per day. So there are possibilities that among 1000 at least 100 will take action, 100 will click on your URL. So in this way you can uh, get users for free without spending anything just by commenting. So make sure you just comment on the popular videos on which views are uh, coming continuously. So you can also find other videos like I am doing uh, this one, like, oh, you're watching 80 views, 80 million views. So this video could posted 5 years ago, but 80 million views are so many views. That means it is already in trend. It was posted before 5 years ago, but it is still in trend in 2021 today also. So I'm also posting here about my site, which is about TV. So I'm typing here watch free TV, watch TV free online 2000 plus channels. sorry, 1000 plus channels. They are more than 1000, but I think 1000 to write 1000 is okay. 1000 plus channels at www.eatv.online. Okay, so I am also copying this whole comments so that I could paste it anywhere else. So I just commented it, but make sure don't post comment at a time more than 10 times, because if you do this you can get error from YouTube, because uh, you may see whenever you promote something on social media, you get error every time. But there's some there's some comfort on YouTube. On YouTube you can post around 10 times, but don't post more than 10 times at a time, please. Otherwise you will get error and you would not be able to post anymore for almost 4-5 days. So I can suggest you can 10 times post in morning, 10 times in afternoon, and that's okay. Whatever afternoon, night, that's okay. 20 times is okay. So I hope guys you would love this trick and will be able to popular your website. So that's it. Okay, I will meet in the next video. Then bye bye. Take care.